Unified Threat Intelligence allows you to decorate a log with all of the threat information you're going to need about a given IP address, domain, or URL. It actually searches lots and lots of different feeds that are well used in the industry, and it means that you don't have to go searching for all the different places that an error might be, or a malicious piece of information might be. Instead, you can simply set up the feed with only a few clicks. So a few things to note about this dialog. One, hover over here to see a log example. So you'll see an example of a malicious IP address and how the feeds it's been detected in, so Ipsum, emerging threats, and brute force blocker, and then when it was reported, the count of how often it's appeared, and so on blocklist.de as well. So this gives you not only the fact that this has appeared in malicious lists, it also may give you reasons, how often it's appeared, when it was last reported, so you have recency on the information as well. You know whether this information is still relevant. What you can do is, it's really, really easy to do. You simply select a key, and that's it. So you can pick any key that you like from your list, and automatically it will begin decorating that IP address. That's it. That's the whole configuration and setup. Once again, the way you reach data flow, data enrichment is from data flow down to data enrichment, but it is literally one click. So what does that actually look like in practice? Well, in practice, what happens is, so you'll notice here I've done a bit of a query for destination IP suspected, and I've also grouped this graph here. This is something you might want to do. It's a nice way of visualizing. So remember, this is a metrics. This can be a metrics graph or a logs graph, but it's on the Log Explorer screen. And what I've done is I've done a count of all the malicious values that have been detected, and I've not compared it to any time frame, and it's given me essentially we're getting lots of small amounts of traffic from lots of different IP addresses, some of which are internal, but some of which are external as well. So really nice way of highlighting all of the different kind of malicious activity that's happening. This would make a lovely graph in a dashboard, right? And as soon as you see a spike, you know something's going wrong. For the log itself, you can see security down here, and then you can see that you have this IP suspected, destination IP suspected. So the original key is destination IP. The decorated key that Unified Threat Intelligence will make is destination IP suspected. Notice a few things here: the actual malicious value that's triggered it, and the feeds in which it has appeared. So this is really useful. You'll notice this is alongside the geographical information as well, which we'll talk in a later video, but just to make the point that this is really powerful in conjunction with other enrichment types as well. So once again, to set this up, it could not be easy. Just pick your key and you're done. That's it. It's the easiest thing in the world to set up. It comes at no additional cost in the Coralogix platform. So strongly recommend, if you have any external IP addresses in your logs, tap into the Unified Threat Intelligence feed today. It's really, really useful. Just gives you that extra layer of confidence that you're not receiving any traffic from malicious sources.